How's it going, guys? Damien here from Clove, and today I'm going to be bringing you a very special unboxing. As you all know, this is not my normal headquarters, and that's because I've got something special for you today. After developing such a successful partnership, Huawei have once again teamed up with Porsche to design a very exciting phone, which I'm sure you guys are going to love, and is something that I think is absolutely beautiful to look at, which is of course the Huawei Mate 20 RS, Porsche design. As you can see here, it is very much inspired by the race cars of today, and you will be able to see a lot more of this. Now, of course, as you know, the Mate 20 RS has been designed and specifically for the high-end market, and as such does feature all the best parts of the critically acclaimed Huawei Mate 20 Pro, which we saw released earlier this year, which really did take the market by storm, really showing its competitors what Huawei are able to do. And the Mate 20 RS is no different. It has really taken the market and shown what a company can actually make out of a device. And this is one of those. And the Huawei Mate 20 RS is absolutely stunning and does feature all those very high-end tech pieces that we have seen from the Mate 20 Pro. But for a price tag of what it has, what is it you actually get for your money? This is what we're going to get into depth now and have a closer look at. So as you can see here, the Porsche design Mate 20 RS actually comes presented in a beautiful black box with Porsche design written clearly over the front of it, as you can see here. And if you open it up, you have this beautiful presentation where at the top you can actually see the Porsche design VIP card, which actually lets you know that this is a genuine product and it's a genuine authenticated product. And then you can see we've got the phone in the base. Beautifully presented. You can see the bits of leather down the sides. If I pull that out, you can then go and have a look further, and what we have inside is the following. So you will receive a 2-pin EU plug as well as a UK 3-pin plug, and these are the super fast chargers as well with these. You also get a set of Porsche design headphones, and they are Type-C headphones, so no need for an adapter there. You'll also receive 2 USB-C cables. And inside here you will find the actual case for the device, which is a flip case, and it's one of the View flip cases, which is works very well. And actually looks really stunning once you put the phone in. It gives the phone a lot of protection. As you can see, simply just pop it in very easily. And it looks like this. Simply unlock. And then you can see it actually gets itself actually connected to the device. So it is very easy to set up and works very well. Inside this box, you will also get your warranty card. You also get some further booklets, and in here you will actually get your 3.5mm headphone jack to your USB-C connector. So if you still got headphones that aren't Bluetooth, you can connect it using this, and works very well. The biggest difference you'll notice between the standard Mate 20 Pro and the Mate 20 RS Porsche is that the general construction of the handset has significantly upgraded. A combination of ultra premium materials, including genuine leather, polished glass, have been combined together to create a really unique finish that's not like anything else currently on the market. Indeed, the leather that sandwiches the central glass has been crafted from sustainably sourced US cowhide leather, and feels rather good to the touch, as well as making the device significantly more slip resistant. Because of this, the device is just 1mm thicker than the Mate 20 Pro. However, we can't say we've noticed this whilst using the device at all. That aside, the general feel of the device is hard to separate from the Mate 20 Pro. The display is pretty much identical, and we've really enjoyed the 6.39-inch full view QHD Plus display of the Mate 20 Pro, which gives a 14x40 by 3120 pixel ratio, which allows for bright and vivid colors
that are perfect for gamers or watching videos. The 2.5D curved glass of the display heightens the premium feel, and you'll find the classic Porsche logo on the rear of the Mate 20 RS. Now, the device will be available in the elegant black finish from Clove and is currently in stock. Arguably the headline feature of the Mate 20 Pro, the Leica camera lens setup, which was found on the Mate 20 Pro, will also be found on the rear of the Mate 20 RS Porsche design. The camera setup consists of a 40 megapixel 1.8 aperture main sensor that is perfect for capturing the detail in pictures, a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens that is vital for those landscape shots, macro shots and big group pictures, as well as an 8 megapixel telephoto lens that is fitted for distant shots. If selfies are more your thing, then the front camera measures in a very impressive 24 megapixels and has a wide angle lens which also has a beauty mode and a portrait mode built into it. In keeping with the sophistication of Porsche, the lenses of the Mate 20 RS do not actually protrude from the device as they do on the Mate 20 Pro, and are instead fitted directly into the glass back panel, which has actually resulted in a really significant look change to the device and does make it look very sleek and very clean. When it comes to the performance, the most prominent thing to note is the fact that the storage options of the Mate 20 RS have been upgraded to 256 GB of internal memory and 8 GB of RAM. This is double the offering that the Mate 20 Pro has, so you won't have to worry about running out of room for your media or your apps. Plus, where the Mate 20 Pro only has 6 GB of RAM, the Mate 20 RS actually has 8 GB of RAM, so it is able to process stuff a lot quicker. Other than that, the device is powered by the same Kirin 980 octa-core processor that has been absolutely outstanding on the Mate 20 Pro. We haven't experienced any lag or frame rate issues in the time that we've had this device. Similar, the Mate 20 RS runs Android 9 or Android Pie with Huawei's EMUI 9, however, comes with a number of themes that match the classic Porsche design and again are very sleek and sophisticated. A 4200 mAh battery will keep you powered for a day without any problems at all, whilst the device also comes with the in-screen fingerprint display that works incredibly well, as we have seen on both the Mate 20 Pro and the Mate 20 RS. It is quick and very efficient and never has any issues.
So as you can see, the Huawei Mate 20 RS Porsche design is truly one of the most sophisticated phones on the market and truly does hold a certain level above everything else. But with a price tag of nearly £1,900 or over £1,900, is it really worth making that jump from the Mate 20 Pro over to the Mate 20 RS? You know, you are going to get the bigger memory, you are going to get the bigger RAM. Yes, it does have a very, very unique look to it, and it is one to stand out from the crowd. But is it really worth all that much money? Very much like some of the very high-end Porsches, it is built for, you know, people with money, and it is built for a very unique market. Now, if you're one of those that has the money and does want to stand out from the crowd, then the Mate 20 RS is definitely going to be that device for you. But if you're one of those that can't afford to pay the £1,900, then the Mate 20 Pro is very, very similar in specs. You do get the same cameras, you do get a lot of the same internals, but you will have to settle with 128 gigabytes of memory rather than having the 256, which is actually available in this. And of course, you will only have the 6 gig of RAM rather than the 8 gig of RAM, which will actually make all that much difference. But again, it is up to you. Now remember to subscribe to our channel and to like our videos if you've seen anything here, or if we've missed anything from this review that you want to know a little bit more, please do comment below and do come back to us. And remember, follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates from us at Clove. Now, as you know, the Mate 20 RS is available from us and is for sale right now. We have got stock ready to ship, and it is available in the dual SIM variant in black, like we have shown you today, along with the 256 gigabytes of memory, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and of course, the most important thing, the dual SIM. Now, as always, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys again next time.